Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries and I did get the referral link and you guys can join now. So I am going to show you how to register using an account which is fresh just to see how much I'm making so far. Let's go to my main account. Can you see that already I am around 18,000 and my goal was just 10,000 the first day and now it's only 1 hour 10 minutes and this is the money that I make. So I'll go back to the other wallet so that I can show you how to register. So what you do, you click browser, and please do note that the system is overwhelmed, the network is overwhelmed, so you have to be patient. If it's not working, keep trying. So you click browser, and then right at the top you paste the link, and if it asks you for an ID, you just copy the last few words and then you click search. And then it will connect to Metaverse and give you an option for you to register. So 2 things that you need to make sure that are correct is my ID. Can you see this is my ID? So if you don't see this, it's not my ID. You won't be joining under me. So the next thing, you click sign up. And then you connect to your wallet. If you're using MetaMask, you connect to MetaMask. I'm using Trust Wallet. And then can you see it's giving me error? So you keep trying until it works. Or you can wait a bit sometimes. Okay, can you see now it is sort of like connecting? So the next thing that you do, you confirm. And while it's still confirming, you must wait for this one to finish. Can you see registration successful? And then the ID of this account, which is my child's account, is this one. So you just copy your wallet address. Actually, your wallet address is found here. This is your Trust Wallet. And then your link you copy here. So when you click here, you actually get the link. If someone asks for a referral link, you actually copy here and send them the referral link. And then this will be your ID. Do remember, this is my child's account. So this is her ID. You have to find your one and then set. So this is where you're going to see how much money you're making, your DAI. And as well, you can see how to upgrade. So let's just go quickly to upgrade, because now to join is free, but you do need to upgrade. Let's go to preview. And then when you get to preview, you will just click activate. I'm not sure if I have enough money on this account, but then you basically click proceed. I don't think it will work, but then you click proceed and then it will connect to your Trust Wallet. And then can you see balance is not enough? But then if I were to send money to your account, I'll be able to upgrade. So this is how you basically activate. And then after you've activated level 1, you will move to a level 2. Level 1 will be activated and then you will move to level 2. So that's it, guys. I hope you do register. Before we even close, let me show you that my balance keeps changing. So now maybe it is 542 because I just registered this person. And do remember the S6 and S3 rules, because you have to understand that. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because I do post videos on how to do different things. I will be posting a video on how to use Telegram to get notification. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.